This is question 25 on problem solving from the 2013 IMAT. So we're told that there are two air taxi companies between Rome and Milan, abbreviated to R and M here. And so there's company A, which takes off every 10 minutes and flies from Rome to Milan in 90. Then company B takes off from Rome every 5 minutes, then flies to Milan in 60 minutes. And so a plane from company B takes off 5 minutes after an A plane. Therefore, how many A planes going from Rome to Milan will the B plane pass before it lands? So it does take a moment to stop and think what they're actually asking. So company A, a flight from Rome to Milan takes 90 minutes, and company B takes 60 minutes to do the same flight. And so the B plane is going faster than the A planes, and they're all going in the same direction. We don't have to worry about passing planes going from Milan to Rome, but we want to know how many A planes are passed by the B plane during its journey, since it's going faster. So as always, with these sorts of questions, let's draw a sketch. I'll use this color code, so pink for A and purple for B. Now we know this pilot from company B has just taken off, and they will arrive in 60 minutes time at their destination. And so meanwhile, the company A planes are going every 10 minutes in the same journey, but this takes 90 minutes. So here we've got an A plane every 10 minutes, and the most recent one took off 5 minutes after our plane from company B. And so how do we work out how many of these planes are going to be passed by our plane from company B during its 60-minute journey? Well, if we think about each of these planes in turn, we know it's not going to pass any of these because they're about to land, but what about these first few? So we know this plane is 5 minutes into its journey, and its total journey is 90 minutes. So how long does it have left? That's 85. So if it has 85 minutes left, and our pilot from company B is going to get there in 60 minutes, then this plane is clearly going to be passed by our B plane. And so if we carry on, there's another plane 10 minutes ahead of this one, and so that's going to arrive in 75 minutes. This one's going to arrive in 65 minutes, 55, and so on. And so which ones are going to be passed? Well, if this one is arriving in 55 minutes, and our B plane takes 60 minutes, then it's not going to pass. It'll be just 5 minutes ahead, but by the time it lands. And so it's these three planes which are going to be passed, because they're not going to arrive for at least 60 minutes. So 3 is our final answer, which corresponds to B on the question paper.